Hey glam babes, today we are creating brows that photograph better than your vacation. Stay to the end for the full snatch. The first step is hair wax. It's basically hair gel for your face. Tame these brows like a pretty toddler's down for a nap. If they don't behave, more wax. We don't negotiate with terrorists over here. Now the second step is setting powder. I am applying powder because oily brows, that's not cute. This is me basically telling my brows, stay, don't move, below your. It's time to draw the brows, light strokes only. Remember, this is an eyebrow, not a Sharpie fight. If the tail gets too long, boom, you're in geography class, delete and start over. Concealer is the Instagram filter of real life. I am carving out this arc like I just enrolled in art school. Clean lines only, because we are not out here looking like we used Microsoft Paint. Now we blend until your problems disappear. Blend like you're deleting text before your mom sees them. You know, all those kind of texts that you and your boyfriend, I'm not gonna talk too much. Blend it. If you think you've blended enough, newsflash, you haven't. Keep going. Blend the hell out of it. Can we have moment of silence for these brows? Can we? Sharp enough to cut off bad energy, all those toxic friends. left brow and right brow, not twins, but at least they're on speaking terms. If you learned anything, like, comment, and subscribe before these brows start charging appearance fee. I love you guys, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.